Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Daniel from Engineer's Notes. Today we're going to take a look at how to do Gaussian elimination using 2x2 matrix. Alright, let's say you want to solve a set of equations. Let's say 2x plus y equals 4 and 4x plus y equals 0 equals 6, and let's call the first equation 1, second equation 2. So how do you solve this problem? How do you get x and y? So if you just subtract the first equation from 2, you will get 2x equals 2, and that means x is 1. And if you just plug in x equal 1 into first equation, you will get 2 times 1 plus y is 4. That means y equals 2. Simple. And you can also solve this set of equation using Gaussian elimination. But before you do that, you gotta know how to transform a set of equations into a matrix form. So if you just take a look at the coefficients of these equations, there is 2, 1, 4, 1. And if you just multiply this coefficient matrix by variable matrix, and if you just write down 4, 6, this matrix form is exactly the same as this set of equation. Let's just take a look at 2x plus y equals 4. There's one equation, and 4x 1y equals 6. This one is the second equation, right? And let's do Gaussian elimination. In order not to copy this variable matrix like every step, we just leave it out. So you can write this matrix form this way, like 2, 1, 4, 1. First you gotta write the coefficient matrix and dot 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 and 4, 6. So if you just look at this form of matrix form, this kind of augmented matrix, you gotta be able to interpret this augmented matrix like this: 2x plus y equals 4, 4x plus y equals 6. And so yeah, let's start Gaussian elimination. So first element of the first column of A is called first pivot. And we only want pivot B in the first column. So we want to erase everything out except for the first pivot in the first column. Okay, so if you wanna get rid of 4, what would you do? So so one thing you gotta keep in mind is you can't change the first row because it includes the first pivot. Okay, so if you just subtract the first row multiplied by 2 from the second column, you will get, so if you just multiply 2 to the first row, it will be like 4, 2, 8, right? And you subtract this from the second row, and it will be 0, minus 1, 2. No, I mean minus 2. And leave the first row the same as it was. Okay, so the reason you can do this way is like basic rule of equations. You can add the same thing to the right side and the left side on the equation, so it's like so it doesn't change, it doesn't change at all, so it's basically the same thing. So like I said, you can interpret, so you got to be able to interpret this 2x plus y equals 4, 0x minus y equals minus 2. 2x plus y equals 4, 0x minus y equals minus 2. So from here you can get y equals 4, and if you just plug in, you can also get x equal 1, right? So this step is called back substitution. And what you just did earlier is called forward elimination. Okay, so let's wrap up before we finish this video. So what we have learned today is, first, how to transform a set of equation into a matrix form. Alright, first you got to define the coefficient matrix and variable matrix and the result matrix. Okay, it was simple, huh? And the second one we learned is augmented matrix. You can just leave the variable part out, and you can just simply write this way. And the third thing we learned today is forward elimination, and pivot. This one was pivot. And lastly, we learned backward substitution. And these two steps is Gaussian elimination. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will upload 2 videos every week, so if you want to watch more new videos, hit that notification button as well. Also, if you guys have any questions, please leave comments down below. I will happily answer all of your questions. Alright, I hope to see you in the next video.